Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Present proposal that we are placing before you, sir, in order to achieve success in our quest to resume mining operations and for ensuring a robust response to the auction of mining leases in the state of Goa, we are following aspects need to be corrected and considered, sir. Restoration of 0% export duty for low-grade iron ore. Until very recently, export duty on low-grade iron ore has been 0%, which has been made an export of iron ore very economical. Now export duty is being raised to 50% on all types of Fe grades. Goan iron ore has neither domestic market nor it can participate in the export in the foreign countries. Thus, the iron ore industry is facing a very serious threat of survival in Goa.
एक्सपोर्ट ड्युटीक लागून सरकाराक मायनिंग लिजा पावणे काडपाक त्रास जावं येता.
We fear that auctioning of iron ore also may not yield the desired result and revenue to the government due to very high export duty which is existing as of today.
बेनिफिशिएशन प्लांट गोंयांत कोताक येना. गोंयचे बीन सामकेच लो ग्रेडीचे ते वाडना.
Compulsion on beneficiation of low-grade iron ore. This is reference to a consultation note dated 12/8/2022 issued by Ministry of Mines seeking comments on suggestions from mining stakeholders regarding utilization of low and lean grade iron ore resources in the country. The intent of consultation note to produce ores of 62% Fe through beneficiation is not practical in Goa as average grade in Goa ranges from 50 to 56%.
ह्या आदी गोंयांत बेनिफिशिएशन प्लांट घालून जाले, फेल गेले.
The past experience indicate that beneficiation plants have failed in the state of Goa considering low recovery and marginal improvement in Fe content after beneficiation. Therefore, the compulsion on beneficiation of low-grade iron ore of Goa expected to badly affect mining industry in the state, as even after beneficiation finding viable domestic market seems very difficult.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.